Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can loop through a dictionary in Python. Okay, so let's get started. So in the last video, we have seen these methods. So the get method, the keys method, the values method, and the items method. In this video, we will see those in a little bit more details as well. All right. So to loop through the dictionary, what we can do here, we can add a for loop. So for something like X in car details, okay, and here I can print the X here, okay. All right, so if I just now run the program, as you can see, we are getting brand, model, year, is active, and colors. So what exactly we are getting? We are getting these keys here, right? So brand, model, year, is active, and colors here, okay. So in case if we want to have the values, what we can do? So to get the values, we can do something like this. So car details, square brackets, and X, okay. All right, run the program. As you can see, we are getting all of the values here right now, okay. So we can do something like this, but we have learned about these methods, the keys method, the values method, and the items method. We will see that in action inside of these for loops. So what we can do to get the values, we can do something like this. For X or for value in car details dot values, okay. Here we can print the value, okay. So I will comment out this one, run the program. As you can see, we are getting all of the values here, okay. So in case if we want to get the keys, what we can do? We can do something like this, okay. So let's do key in car details dot keys, okay. So in case if you are wondering how I have duplicated that, I have hold down Shift Alt and down arrow. So inside of the VS Code, in that way you can duplicate a piece of code. So here what we are doing, hey, for key in car details dot keys, print the keys, okay. And here we are getting all of the values. All right, so as you can see, we are getting all of that. So here we are getting the keys at first, and then we are getting all of the values, okay. So this is good. Now in case if you want to have the key and the value at the same loop, how you can do that? You can do that by using the items method, which we have seen, okay, in the last video. All right, so what we can do? We can do for something and something. So I will just do something like value right now in car details dot items, okay. And here I can print something like an f string, okay. F string, let's do a colon, and let's do value, okay. Now let's see what exactly the items method gives us. So I will comment out this once, and I will comment out this one as well, just for now, and just print the car details dot items. All right, so as you can see, we are getting some tuples. We will see what exactly is the tuple, but please bear with me here. So we are getting the brand and the value of that brand, which is Ford, model, and Mustang. So we are getting the key value pairs inside of a tuple. So here inside of this for loop, what we can do, we are getting the value, but also the first thing, we are getting the key as well. So key comma value, okay. And here we can add the key as well. All right, I hope that makes sense, okay. So if I now comment out this one and run the program, as you can see, we are getting brand, Ford, model, Mustang, year 1964, is active, false, colors, and so on and so forth, okay. So this is how we can loop through a dictionary. So as you can see, we have learned about the keys, values, and the items method. If you don't want to do anything, you can just do something like this. But this is something which I do not recommend, because this code is not readable properly, right? This code, we are iterating over all of the keys. It is visible here. Here inside of this code, we are iterating over all of the values, which is visible here. Here we are iterating over the items, okay, which is visible here, but here it is not that much good. So in case if you want to loop through a dictionary, I will highly suggest you to use these methods: the keys method, the values method, and the items method. Okay, awesome. So in this way we can iterate over a dictionary in Python.